तो ऐसे ही ना, why we came here is just because of the economics. If in either way if it turns to 100 rupees is होता है वो कि 1 rupees 100 pound हो गया तो सब उधर हो जाएगा. And I want to do that one. Because in 1947 it was equal 1 to 1 rupees 1 this thing. Because of this potential drop, उधर से इधर flow हो जाता है. I want to do that to the balance, and I know these letters will do it. Saraswati will do it. Because even the Lakshmi doesn't, she can stay, but Saraswati is not following her, but the Lakshmi get bored and she disappears. और Lakshmi हमारे पास है, सरस्वती हमारे पास है. अब लक्ष्मी को कहाँ लाना है, सरस्वती will decide it. Long term. हम लोगों ने छीन के नहीं दिया है, not borrowed or not snatching. It's resource generated from the same place. Because we got Saraswati at the base. And I think we should work on that basis. And we should have, I bought a Saraswati statue in my home to show my son, okay, always respect, otherwise the Lakshmi will not stay for longer. So इसमें क्या है कि what I wanted to show in the classroom, now I am showing the sound and form, I am talking not the language. So if you see this one, basically it's a vibrating plate. It vibrates at a different frequency and the form changes. But it changes in some pattern. Opposite नहीं हुआ. The universe is in the proper order. If you put anything onto it, again it forms it. आप कुछ भी डाल दो अपने letters पे, we have to put it in that flavor. वो आ जाएगा line में. So it comes in the way he's saying that Shankara got. If you see the Nataraj Murti, you should see it properly. He got Damru in one hand and a fire in the other hand. The word is made up of form and sound. The sound changes in the form changes in the sound. Simple. And that's why the Nataraj Murti got Damru in one hand and is fire in the other hand. And the word makes, universe creates because of these two things only. So what is the Damru is the sound and speaking. The letters I want to connect with the fire. Fire means picture, form. Okay, the form and sound you have to connect. That is the basic of our language. And Shankara plays the Damru. And when he plays the Damru, I said, oh, that is my friend created his drawing and said, put the letters here. Kam, cham, tam, tam, pam, like that. Kachata, tapa, kachata, tapa, kachata, tapa. He plays the Damru. I said, okay, Saraswati, listen to it. And she said, I will elaborate it. And she elaborates to make this one. Because when the is played with the when get agitated or with a different frequency and amplitude, the material creates the different forms, shapes. But वो कुछ order से होंगे. तो ये है, this is Shankar playing this thing. I will say in the classroom, क्योंकि मुझे logically सिखाना है. Logically सिखाना है तो मैं पूरे 33 consonant सर पे डालूंगा नहीं. I will say the principles. तो ये बोलूँगा ये पेडनेकर फैमिली, ये वो फैमिली, ये फैमिली, उनके फैमिली के मेंबर एक को बुलाऊंगा. तो मैसेज उनके घर पे जाता है या उनके घर का इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाता है. सो आई वांट टू प्राइम कचटा दे आर द फर्स्ट 5 लेटर्स इन दिस थिंग. लेकिन ये जो है ये पाणिनि के सूत्र है, ये शिव सूत्राणी है. और ये शिव सूत्राणी ऐसे अयुन रुलक एवंग ओच हयवरट लड नमंगण नम जबग्न गड़दश जब गड़दश कप चटतव कपयश सरहर. ये लास्ट के रेड जो छोड़ के बाकी जो बचते हैं यू विल गेट इट एट सम 33. Purva can sing for us. I used to sing for us. He likes it. Can you sing for us? She's not burger में इंटरेस्ट नहीं उसको. I want authentic food from mommy's hand. सरस्वती के हाथ से जो खाना बनेगा वही खाऊंगी. तो she started learning from here. और इसको ऐसे लिखा है कि if I am उसको मेडिटेशन में बैठा हूँ ना तो मैं अगर इंडिया को ये बहुत पसंद आता है. ये जो वर्ड है ना ई उ, ये जो है ना विष्णु है, ई लक्ष्मी है. If they say in these letters, ये जो बनाए ना सूत्र अ का वाणी उसमें विष्णु लक्ष्मी इनके यूज किए. उसके बाद ब्रह्मा बनता है ऊट. इसके बाद ही क्रिएशन शुरू हो जाता है. अब इधर देखोगे तो 5 तत्व है. ये हय वरट मीन्स आकाश, वायु, अग्नि, जल, पृथ्वी. उसके बाद आप ऊपर जाओ, ये 5 सेंसेस, स्पर्श, शब्द, रस, रूप, गंध. उसके नीचे जाओ आप, उसके बाद आगे 5 इंद्रियां, एलिमेंट ऑफ एक्शन, हाथ, पाँव 5 है. ये तो आप सबको मालूम रहेंगे. 5 वायु है शरीर के बन जाते हैं. उसके बाद प्रकृति पुरुष तैयार होती है. और जब श आती है ये रजोगुण तमोगुण सत्वगुण बनता है तब ह आता है। ह में अहम, अहंकार आ जाता है और वह शुरू हो जाता है। That's why they are written in this way. That's why it's called Shiva Sutrani. You can decode this one too much. You know, see why is like that. मैं तो इतने तक करता हूँ और बोला तो उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है ढूंढूंगा ये हर एक लेटर का, लेकिन शंकर ने ऐसी तरह से बनाया और ऐसी तरह से ही वर्ड बनाया। इसलिए our script, our dialects, our languages are came properly in the lineage in the pure form. बाकी कोई बीच में से ढूंढा नहीं है। That's why we got a longer history. वो हिस्ट्री वहाँ तक जाती है। शंकर द्वारा देख के हम लोग को फीलिंग आती है कुछ बनी, बिकॉज वो के लिए उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस इन्वायरमेंट चाहिए, उसके लिए एक साथ आना चाहिए। उसका कोई तो हर सन और जो हम लोग करते हैं सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं उसके पीछे कुछ नॉलेज सरस्वती चाहिए, नहीं तो बाकी सब ड्रामा हो जाता है। और ये ड्रामा सोशल होता है, वो तो कभी भी कर सकते हैं, वो कब भी उसके लिए। लेकिन हमारा जो है वो हमारा धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष की तरफ ध्यान है। हम कुछ भी करेंगे तो मोक्ष की तरफ करेंगे। मोक्ष मीन्स गेट एक्सपर्ट ऑन दैट सब्जेक्ट। मोक्ष इतना है कि मैं इधर प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा हूँ ना तो मुझे लाइट लगता है, दैट इज मोक्ष, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी मच कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग इट। दैट इज नॉट लिबरेशन, मींस वो सब छोड़ के, दैट इज नॉट आवर थिंग एट ऑल। वैदिक संस्कृति हिंदी बोलती है। फिर इसके ऊपर जो बना है जो हमारा ये है, और इसको इस तरह से लिखा है अ आ इ उ इ क ख ग घ छ छ ज झ ञ, ये जो है इस फॉर्म में हम लोग सिखाते हैं। लेकिन हम लोग ने मैंने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया कि कैसे रहेगा। अभी मैं बच्चों को जब सिखाता हूँ तो रात भर उसको बैठ के, मैं अभी तक तो लगता है 2-3 साल तो यही पढ़ रहा हूँ, उसके आगे गया ही नहीं। आई हैव नॉट गॉन टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वर्ड। मैं सिर्फ लेटर की प्यार में इतना हो गया कि मेरे लिए जिंदगी इतनी अच्छी है कि मैं इसको सेव करूँ अच्छी तरह से, तो बहुत से कस्टमर आ जाएंगे इसके। और इसके बाद में उनको जो जनरेट करना है, मैं तो लेगो ब्लॉक है ना, उसके ऊपर चित्र रहता है कि इसकी कार बनेगी। बेटे के हाथ में दे दो, पहली बार तो किताब देके कार बनाता है, और दूसरे दिन तीसरे दिन देखो वो किताब गया खड्डे में, ये वो बॉक्स गया खड्डे में, वो कुछ अलग ही बनाते रहता है। बिकॉज ही नोस कि मम्मी घर में इतने से फूड से बार बार इडली डोसा बनाती है, राइस बनाती है, चावल नहीं रहता है, लेकिन उसमें इतनी वेरिएशन क्यों करती है? शी नोज द मेथड, शी नोज द ग्रामर। अगर इसके बाद अगर ये लेटर मैंने किचन में रख दी, दिस इज माय किचन, सरस्वती का किचन यही है। एक सरस्वती किचन में 33 लीटर्स है, वो उसमें से खाना बना के परोस रही है जनरेशन। लेकिन वो बोलती है कि यार इनको नहीं खाना है 26 में ही घर में खुश है, इनकी हेल्थ खराब हो जाएगी। हेल्थ, मानसिक हेल्थ, यू नो, साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ, आवर वर्ड्स आर लाइक दैट। माँ को माँ बोलना, पिताजी, बुआ, ये सब जो वर्ड है उसके साथ आते हैं तो इमोशंस आते हैं, बड़ा फ्रेमवर्क आ जाता है। फिर उसको छोटा करने की कोशिश हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो उसको क्यों ना हम बड़ा करें? वही तो सब लोग कर रहे हैं ना। फिर इसको मैंने बोला कि एक मैंने बोला ए फॉर एप्पल, तो अमोल को ऐसे लिखना चाहिए, तो ऐसे कैसे लिख दिया हम लोगों ने? ए तो ए ना, तो प्रॉब्लम उनका नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम हमारा है कि हमने गलत उसको हाँ बोल दिया। वी एक्सेप्ट इट, इज नॉट देयर प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज दे यूज फॉर ए, they don't use a for a or a for a. We accepted it and said why not we say, you know, can we write up? So that is the main thing in classroom. Why they get detached? Because what we are teaching is different platform, what they are learning in the school is different platform. मैं उसको यही इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूंगा तो गया वो पहले ही क्लासरूम में गया, फिर मैं सिखाता हूँ आपको ये ए है ना, तो मुझे लेना ही पड़ता है, बिकॉज अभी तो मार्केट के लिए मैं उसको एक को ए ले रहा हूँ। पूरा इंडिया में सब यूज कर दिया हम लोगों ने, मैंने भी यूज कर दिया, मेरे नाम भी यूज कर दिया है। मैं तो यूज करता हूँ, मैं बोला लिख ही नहीं सकता हूँ, आई शुड यूज माय ओन स्क्रिप्ट। अगर किसी में चल रहा है ये प्रोजेक्टर और इसको मैच नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं मेरा ही चालू करूंगा ना। लेकिन हम लोग नहीं, वो टूटा फूटा चलेगा। हमने कभी करेक्ट करने की कोशिश नहीं की। मुझे तो लगता है कि मेरा नाम तो मैंने लिखना चाहिए, बिकॉज दे कांट राइट दिलीप, मैंने ऐसे लिख दिया। तो बचपन से भी बताया स्कूल में, टीचर बोले ऐसे लिख दो, सब लोग बोर्ड, दुकान के बोर्ड भी ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, सब दिलीप कुमार का नाम स्पेलिंग ऐसा ही है, तो मेरा नाम ऐसे लिख दिया। लेकिन मुझे पता चलता है कि दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग, दे आर प्रोनाउंसिंग मी दिलीप, इट इज नॉट देयर फॉल्ट। सो मैंने बोला मेरे किसी ने जाके आपको करेक्ट ही नहीं किया पहले टाइम से, नो डोंट डू दैट वन। हम लोग इतना करेक्ट करते हैं ना रास्ते पे, इतना थूको मत, चलो ये लेफ्ट लेन, चलो ये ट्रेन पकड़ेगा, टिकट नहीं था अंदर आने का नहीं। हम लोग तो सबको टिकट, बिना टिकट के सबको एंट्री दे दी है। लैंग्वेज में तो लगा चलो दूसरे प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि अभी वही बच्चों को अभी कैसे टर्न करने का। तो दैट इज अ थिंग, बट व्हेन यू आर टीचिंग यू शुड गो विद इंग्लिश फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश फर्स्ट, वेयर इट कम्स फ्रॉम, व्हाट इज द डायलेक्ट। वो डायलेक्ट स्क्रिप्ट में पुलिस के होने क्या है उसको पहले पढ़ो, बाद में अपना चलाओ। ये अपना ही चलाते रहते हो जो गलत है, तो उसको मैं बोल दिया कि ये शब्द तो नहीं है, तो उनको पता चलता है कि ये नहीं है, तो दे एक्सेप्ट इट। कि you should not use it, but when they go to the classroom, they say, oh, you can't pronounce Dilip like that. There is a different form. Doesn't matter you are doing something, you know, उसको अब step down कर दिया, that is okay, but you understand that is not correct way. So उसके बाद one articulation, why not one design है तो इंग्लिश में हो जाता है उनको बोलने के लिए. द लिखते हो तो अलग लिखते हो, मुँह से एक ही बार द बोला था ना, 3 लेटर्स कैसे आ गए? One has to use 2 letters to create sound. तो उनको चैलेंज हो जाता है. This is the way to challenge them. This is way to they will understand. ये तो ए हो गया, को हो गया, स हो गया. ये तो हमारे यहाँ को बोला तो 2 लेटर्स होते हैं उसमें से. क वो हो गया. तो हमारा डायग्राफ है, इसमें नहीं आता है. वो यूज करते रहेंगे, हम अलग करते हैं, हमारे तरीके अलग है. तो मैंने बोला कि चलो पहले वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं जहाँ लैटिन शुरू हो जाती है. वहाँ नहीं जहाँ हम शुरू हो जाते हैं. वहाँ शुरू होते हैं जहाँ उनका फाउंडेशन है, वहाँ जहाँ उनका अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. उधर जाके बैठते पहले, उनके साथ यही पहले करते हैं. They accepted it because I was correcting them in the way to match over this thing. गलत प्लेटफॉर्म इधर से इधर पे या बीच में गैप हो जाता है और कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. So I said a b k d i f g h i होगा कोई. ये तो मैंने लिख दिया है, may not be correct, but this is the best close I am. j k l इसका पावर भी नहीं मोड़ा है, तो बाद में बताऊंगा. A for a not as in apple. फिर बोला सिखाना है ना तो यूनिवर्सल सिखाओ. अपना अपना लेके कितना बैठोगे. फिर भगवान भी अपने हो जाते हैं, फेस्टिवल भी अपने हो जाते हैं. फिर एनीबडी हेट इट बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन बॉन्डिंग. इफ यू से यूनिवर्सल है, ये पैरासिटामोल इधर भी वैसे ही चलेगा, उधर भी वैसे ही चलेगा, देन यू विल एक्सेप्ट इट. बराबर. नहीं तो मैं बोलूँगा नहीं ये इधर नहीं खाने का है, तो फिर वो बाकी जैसे हो गया. लेकिन आवर कल्चर इज यूनिवर्सल, इंस्क्राइबिंग एवरीबॉडी, और लैंग्वेज इज इंस्क्राइबिंग एवरीबॉडी. इससे बाहर अगर कोई हो तो मुझे बताओ कि क्या इंस्क्राइब हो रहा है. तो विल ऐड इनटू इट. हमने ऐड कर दिया, हमारे नहीं था, लेकिन एप्पल हम लोग ऐ लिखते हैं ना ऊपर कहीं करके, ऐ लिखते हैं ऐसे करके. अरे तो ये अल्फाबेट है, जिसका नाम भी ग्रीक से आया है. अल्फाबेट इज द फर्स्ट 2 लेटर्स ऑफ द ग्रीक. हमारे अल्फाबेट कैसे हो गए? तो इन जनरल वी नीड टेक जस्ट टू शो देम दैट नो देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन लेटर्स, अल्फाबेट एंड दिस थिंग. बट वी एक्सेप्टेड इट, बट एक्चुअली दे शुड नो कि उसका मीनिंग क्या है ना. उसको लगता है लैटिन ले लो, लैटिन को कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं? सेम स्क्रिप्ट. ओके, देयर इज सेम स्क्रिप्ट. व्हेन यू गो टू लैटिन से आ बे के डे ए एफ गे भा ई खा एल एम एन ओ पे कु व एर एस टे, ये ऐसे बनता है. सेम पैटर्न को आप हर बार, अभी बाउंड्री स्टेट बदल दिया तो आपको ऐसा प्रोनाउंस करना है. ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन हो गया. मेमोरी को तकलीफ हो गई. हम कहाँ भी लेके जाओ लेटर, हमारा लेटर नहीं बदलता है. यूनिवर्सली जाओ वही बनेगा, कोई यूज नहीं किया है किसी ने. स्पेनिश है ABCD, same again ABCD, but pronunciation is different. Go to the English, same pattern again, pronunciation is different. So the same symbol they have used differently all over the country. Why? They just matched it. Nobody was thinking, you know, उसके पर भी हमने पहले टाइम जब जनरेट किया था तो परफेक्ट कर दिया. And it comes from the lineage, long terms. उसमें नहीं रहेगा शायद वो डिजाइन पैटर्न पुराने सारा, इसमें may be different, but the basic concept is continuously same. हिब्रू ले लो, फिर अलिफ बीट गिमल दालिफ दे वाव नाइन दे वो कर रहे हो. तो अरबिक ए बे ते थे जय है. जो नॉलेज की प्यास थी तो इंडिया में थी ज़्यादा, इसलिए बहुत जल्दी जनरेट हो गया. जिसको जहाँ जनरेट हो गया, इधर टेक्नोलॉजी की प्यास थी वो जल्दी जनरेट हो गए. फिर अभी आके इंडिया में बोलते आपके यहाँ ट्रैफिक का कियोस है. मैं बोला आपके पास लैंग्वेज का कियोस है. तो बोला ठीक है, हम लोगों ने पहले आगे पीछे शुरू किया है. यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट. दे अंडरस्टैंड, देन इट्स फाइन, दे एक्सेप्ट. जो हमारे 50 साल पहले भी इधर मोटरवे पे राउंड यूटर्न मार के कोई घुस जाता था तो बैरियर बना दिया. मतलब माय फील्ड इज लाइक दैट. तो मेरे दोस्त ने उसको कन्विंस कर दिया. ही कन्विंस, ही वाज देयर, यस देयर इज अ टाइम लैग इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री, द डिफरेंट फीचर्स. कोई ये इसमें डेवलप सब्जेक्ट में डेवलप हो गया, कोई ये सब्जेक्ट में डेवलप हो गया, देन दे एक्सेप्ट इट. दैट्स फाइन. बट वी रिजेक्ट नहीं हो गया. एंड देन वी शॉल ओनली टू दिस थिंग, डेवलप कंट्री एंड अनडेवलप कंट्री. एंड जो डेवलप है वो बोलेंगे, हम नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि हमारा देश का नाम भी हम नहीं बोले. वो कोई इंडिया आके बोला तो इंडिया बोल देंगे. ऐसी बहुत चीज़ें हैं कि लोग बोलेंगे नहीं रिजेक्ट इट. एटलीस्ट दे शुड नो दैट दिस इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर वे. हिंदू बोला है तो हिंदू नाम भी हमारा नहीं है, हिंदू वर्ड भी हमारा नहीं है, हिंद भी हमारा नहीं है, तो हम ले क्या है, हम तो सिंध है, हम सिंधु है. तो गलत होता है. तो हम लोग किसी को करेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. किसी हम लोग लेबल लगा दिया तो हम लेबल लेके घूमते हैं. वो भी प्राउड बोलते हैं हम प्राउड से, लेकिन वो प्राउड के पीछे स्टडी नहीं है, नॉलेज नहीं है. वो पिछले लोगों को नहीं था कि उनको फंसाया, ये किया, कुछ किया. अभी तो इंटेलिजेंट हो गए. We got equal this brain and everything. We are showing all these things. लेकिन ये brain चलता नहीं है. जब we have to show sell our thing, तो उसको कैसे कर सकते हैं? And I was thinking like that, no, सब जो corporate level का जो कुछ फंडा है, I want to bring it to the latest. तो और जाके चाइनीज एक के ऊपर एक डिजाइन पैटर्न मारते हैं, तो इसको स्टडी नहीं किया, मुझे फन आ जाता है, तो मेरे दोस्त को बोलता हूँ मेरा नाम लिखो ना, तो एक ही डिजाइन के ऊपर और डिजाइन करते रहते हैं, बोले कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर दिया है, तो सिंपल रखो ना ऐसे करके. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न, इज नॉट लाइक सेइंग आई वांट टू कंपेयर यूनिवर्सली. अगर वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग यूनिवर्सली, देन यू विल नॉट नो वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग. मैं और यूनिवर्सल जाने वाला हूँ, दिस इज ओनली की स्टेज 0. की स्टेज उसके बाद जब रहेंगे, दैट विल गो ऑन यूनिवर्सल टू द, विल हैव आवर ओन एकेडमी लर्निंग द लैंग्वेज. मुझे थोड़ा सॉन्ग है जो स्पेनिश में बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आई वोंट रन पूरी स्पेनिश वर्क. ये मेरे बेटे को मैंने यहाँ से शुरू किया है, नॉट अभी तो मैं आया नहीं अपने लेटर पे. सी आई स्पेंड ऑलमोस्ट 60% ऑफ माय प्रेजेंटेशन, आई एम स्टिल नॉट देयर. लेकिन ये काम मुझे पहले करना था, तब बच्चे पढ़ेंगे, तब बच्चे आएंगे, तब बच्चों को अच्छा लगेगा. कितना अच्छा बना. मैं ढूंढ रहा था अपना गाना किधर है, आई डिडंट गॉट इट. मैं बोला अजय को या किसी को, हरिहरन को या किसी को बोलूंगा जरा आप अच्छे से गा के रिकॉर्ड कर दो ना, पूरा जनरेशन का अच्छा हो जाएगा. ऐश्वर्या को बोलूंगा जरा डांस करो ना एक बोलते. तो व्हाट इज दिस इज यू थिंक इज लाइक सिली और दिस थिंग, बट यू नो दीस आर द कोर व्हाट दे आर अर्निंग, मेकिंग अ मनी आउट ऑफ इट. दिस इज कोर कि उसके पीछे डालना है. उनको ज़्यादा दिया, उनको जागने भी ईजी है. मेरे पास तो बहुत पाउंड है, तो मैं थोड़े डाल सकता हूँ, दुख नहीं होगा मुझे. लेकिन दैट विल गो टू दिस, दिस इज आवर कल्चर. ये करके वो लैंग्वेज में डालने के लिए मतलब सॉन्ग नहीं मिला, तो मैं अपने सॉन्ग बना के बच्चों के साथ गाता हूँ. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मुझे बॉलीवुड में किशोर कुमार गाने में बनाया अच्छा गाना, तो मैं मुझसे किसी को कॉपी मार के उसके ऊपर डाल देता हूँ. मैं की गाना बहुत इसमें स्टाइल में गाता हूँ और बच्चों को क्लास में बार बार बताता हूँ. उनके दिमाग में रहता है कि म्यूजिक भी सीखते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ से टीचिंग शुरू हो जाता है. इसके पहले जब किया वो सेल्समैन का काम था. सेल्समैन को क्या है, उसका जॉब बहुत बेकार रहता है. एक बार मार्केट शुरू हो गया तो उसको कोई पूछता नहीं कि सेल्समैन को दूसरा काम दे देते बहुत. तो दिस इज अंटिल वी गेट मोर दिस थिंग यू हैव टू डू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नॉलेज. फिर मेरे शुरू हो जाता है. अभी मैं क्लासरूम शुरू कर रहा हूँ मेरा, तो मैं क्लासरूम में शुरू करें. वो बर्मिंघम गए, बर्मिंघम का टेम्पल देखा, वो विष्णु पानी में, ठंडे ठंडे पानी में दिन भर उसके सर पे पानी डालते हैं. और ये फोटो है वो बेटे का, तो उसको ये ना होगा. बर्मिंघम में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. बेटा बोला उसके पेट में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इसको पेट में क्या होता है, उसको एपेंडिसाइटिस क्या होता है, उसको ऐसा कुछ हो गया क्या, अलग कुछ बढ़ गया क्या. यहाँ से हमारी लैंग्वेज की शुरू हो जाती है, हमारा हमारे नेवल से शुरू होता है. मैं इसको बोला कि ब्रह्मा विष्णु नेवल से है. नेवल ही हमारे, आप बात करते हो ना तो नेवल ही आपकी पीछे हो जाती है. आपकी इच्छा आपके नेवल से शुरू हो जाती है. मेरी लैंग्वेज मेरे नेवल से शुरू हो जाएगी. विष्णु भी वहाँ ही बैठा है, उसकी नाभि से ब्रह्मा निकलेगा. कंसेप्ट गोज लाइक दैट. स्टोरी है, पर स्टोरी बोलेंगे नहीं. अभी तक हम लोगों ने बार बार बोलते कि शिवा ने सर काट दिया, तो अभी we never forgot it. Sorry, somebody must not be understanding Hindi. I should somebody say. Okay, so what he did, Shankar cut the head, you know, Ganesha. That story we never forgot. So उसमें क्या, मैं आपको, if I am telling this story, sorry for my this thing in India, I just forgot in my this thing. उसने story, you know, I just say that okay, this is a story, and then I make the stories in my classroom and the music. But you are teaching a language, so I am using music a lot and the stories. So I make my own story or create something, but I need to read why it is like that. He says, okay, you know, this is when the mind strikes the fire at the navel. The fire, the nature of the fire is to go up. The fire blows, it comes up to the heart. Sound with the help of the prana goes up, and when it goes in the here, we do articulation with that fire, and that articulation maybe with the tongue, lips or something. This is what we do. And then Bhagavan says Akshara Makarosmi. So हमारा अ से शुरू होगा. We start with अ. Then I tell to kids, you know, can you do some sound without touching your lips, tongue, mouth, whatever. There should not be any touch. And say something. I am not using even the definition of vowel. I am saying to them without any definition, can you make a sound without touching your tongue, lips, and this thing, any. Then you say they make all the okay. I said that's fine. You know, we got like that. E, U, A, I, O, aha. We don't touch anything. They are a very noble student in our classroom. They don't do anything, naughty. They just come out of the mouth and goes out. But just we expand and contract them, but we don't touch it. That is the first row of our letters. I'm not using even the word vowels here. They say, oh, this is vowel. Then how many you got in other languages? Again comparison. They just want to make it down. A, I, O, U, G, H, whatever that 5, 4. I said I got 12. Even I got more than that. That 4, so I got 16. Okay. And then I said, okay, say A, I, U, A, I, O, aha. When you say aha, your navel is literally aha. It is a high pressure. So high pressure and fire. You should see the sequence of logic. It's not written like that. It's separate. No mixing of consonant and vowel together. They sit separate. So it's like that. Aha is here, ahamkar is here at the navel. And is simple. Everything is an Even if you're not speaking, is an and that develops in that one. 4 I have not taken here. And these are basically the moons of our language. So if you again want to go to spiritual, everything is linked. Moon phases 15 and 16, I don't know why, but say these are the 15 phases of moon. Okay, we will not go into detail at the moment. Then I will make a sound from this one, in a good way with the drums. And sing in the classroom again and again. They love it. Make something variation into it. Make the speed of it. Say them, can you do that one? But you do first slowly. First you have to say with the finger. So I always put my finger over there to match my sound, lip sync to the figure. That all teachers does it. For us to teach it, we'll have to see. And then they got so many Telugu, Gujarati, Oriya. Then I said, how many you got? Unless write in your own language, you may be feeling is same. But when I write it, it becomes different. Telugu ho gaya, Gujarati ho gaya. You got some additional sound layers like that order, but it's same. Tamil, Gurumukhi, Kannada, Tibetan, Sinhala. Okay. Then this comes. I'll just not go too much in the vowels there. I will come to my story. For story time. Shankar played Damru and he made 5 sounds. So I attach that to my fingers. Ka, cha, ta, ta, fo. I want them to remember it. Even the remembering should be logical. Not like that, I will sing that song for long. No. I will go for first ka, cha, ta, ta, fo. I know from one finger 5 line will come. So I will take the hands up and they will ka. They remember the first letter and the next one will come automatically with the song. But I say, what is this Kachatata? I have not introduced. I said, the vowels is basically nothing but the air coming from the throat. But some naughty things when you come in the classroom, some naughty boys put their legs and drops the fat boy or something like that. So what is it? The first naughty thing does at the throat. If you contract the throat, and the first line comes ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Yeah, but the thing is, in that family, the last letter is like a little boy. When you go to the store shopping, that boy will not follow their parents. He will go here and there, that door, this door. So the last letter goes nasal. That's a naughty boy in this family. Yeah, he doesn't come from the mouth. The same sound comes from the. People contract the throat, and the sound comes from the nasal. That's the last letter of the first family. And each family got 5 members. The last member is the naughty boy. And this goes like that. So you see curve, then top of the sleeve. Then the top of the teeth, back of the teeth and the lips. This is a very logical way of putting this thing. But they all got very shelf life. So you have to add a white color or you have to add swara on top of it. And this is the diagram I just prepared, and then show big one. I said, it's going to come. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ga is at throat. Cha, cha, ja, jana on top of the ceiling. And I asked them to close their eyes and feel it. Cha, cha, ja, jana. Where you are touching your tongue? This is always 5 feet on the top of the ceiling. Then ta, tha, da, dana, the top of the teeth. Then ta, tha, da, dana, back of the teeth, all 5. But when you say last letter na, it should go from nasal. Yeah. Pa, tha, ba, ba, ma, lips only. And our simple things. It starts from throat, close your lips. That is a 5 consonant. Okay. We got more. which I will introduce later on. I will just say that okay, first family I will introduce. They familiar, they understand the logic. They won't forget. I will say because they are the naughty thing. They are developed only for only. If comes and I contract that this here. If I do the tongue lips and I stop at lips it becomes So nothing is the expression of Everything is based around Then I just made the sound and then go with the song first. Don't confuse them. No, I just want to memorize it. It makes sound. But you have to teach. Can you sing for us? So, you should have a clear pronunciation. If they are taking mistake, first thing I will ignore the mistakes. Don't go start with the mistakes. Appreciate what they did. Understand where they are taking mistakes. If they are saying I, they will say and they will say So let them do it first. Then they'll ask them, why you touch the lips? You are not following the rule. Then they will correct it. And slowly you correct them. And correct, her pronunciation should be clear. When you are saying sir, if you don't know how to pronounce it, then I will say okay, where is sir? Then you will see they are in the sequence, sir. They will understand where you should do it, which part of the mouth you should use to pronounce. Otherwise they will confuse. Even I was confused, she asked me in the classroom, what is the difference between sir? I was clever, I said I will tell you next time. I went home, I opened this diagram, and then I opened the grammar book, and they said yes, that question was right, and I found out and I touched it, tasted it, and then came next week home. See, I got the answer. But I am not, we need to wait, we have to say apology, next time I will tell you, do the study and tell. But next time when I am teaching, she taught me. Okay, so I did it like that. When you say, you're a love, love, I say love word is like that, a soft word. You don't, love is like soft touch. Okay, you touch softly, that's why. They are you're a love are the soft. The tongue go close to that one, but it comes with a love back. It doesn't, forcefully do it anything. You're a love are the soft things. So, kakha gagana, where you definitely do it, cha cha jajana, they want to define themselves. They got, like that. But Yaralava is soft on the same position. If you see, where is Yaralava? It goes like that. Ya, ra, la. Where is wa? At the lips. Okay? But when you say wa, it goes gently and come back. That's why they are soft. They are kept separate in the later. Sha, sha, sa, they are the heat. Okay? Don't play with that too much because they are mantras. They will generate a heat a lot in the body. Sha, sha, sa, navel. When you say sha, sha, sa, put your hand, you will feel the fire is coming out. That's why they are ushna, hot. They are kept separate. Don't mix them. Our culture is like that, We say jati, jamati, but they got some meaning behind it. Because we make them skill based on their previous thing. अगर उसके generation में किसी को कुंभार अच्छा आता है, we have to, that is what apprenticeship is. Apprenticeship is your home-based training. That's why they are separate. Even the language, they are not mixed up. Throat family is separate. They can be separate. And this goes with the sound. Okay. But they are like that. No touch, full touch, half touch. I will not use definition. I will not use definition. Then I will say in a different way. Ka and Ka is a brother. Ka, if you add her into Ka, becomes Ka. He got more ego. Her is a ego, ahankar. Yeah? So they are brothers, but the next brother got more ego. Ka is the state. When you add her into it, it becomes Ka. Ga, you add her into it, it becomes Ga. So the same all things. They got hard and soft, and we'll get to into it. But we should know this thing. This is our neighbor. She's Telugu. She used to come in my classroom. She was very quiet. I thought she's not learning anything. She's not interested. But after third class, she was just standing. Her mommy gave me this video. That was surprising. You know, she gave me, look what she did. And I thought she's not picking anything. That was without mistake. She didn't drop a single letter. And then she not just Devanagari, she started to write Telugu. All later, she was writing faster than my son. I was amazed. I don't understand. She was writing. I said to mommy, is she writing correctly? Yes, she's writing all. It's fast. 4 or 5 times she was in Telugu. Because they got an interest. You know, at this stage, we need to put a seed. The soft soil, the soft fertile soil. You think that they can't do it because we got our blockage, not them. We got our blockage. We are not able to teach. We are not to the level that we don't have understanding. We don't have that ability. That lies to us. So teachers is very key to teaching them. This is my classroom where all the kids sing.
Can I ask you a question now?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Sorry, it's just short.
No, that's okay.
You keep in mind, okay?
Okay.
And I know you don't ask me difficult question. It's just that you will not answer the. Okay, I'll take your question. Open, not particular spine, close, whatever you want. See the aim. Then I will increase, I will ask them to this thing. Okay, this is all word and consonant we introduced. Now I want to introduce the variation. See now how we are going to introduce variation. I said okay, now this each letter got some fun. Okay, he says when a baby when comes to the world, he doesn't do anything. It's simple like this. Okay, he can't even stand. When he little bit grows up, he holds a hand, holds a stick in the left hand. Mommy is very happy. He's progressing. The child is progressing. He's holding a hand to the left hand. Then he's holding that stick to the right hand, putting a cap on his head. Then he got he's moving the stick from here to here and the cap on his hand. Then he's standing and putting my shoes in the left leg. And he's putting the right leg. He's putting the shoes to the left leg. Then he's holding a stick. He's growing. Mommy is happy. He's holding one stick in his hand. He's holding 2 sticks in his hand. Then he's holding 1 stick in his hand, 1 stick in the air. He's becoming more able. He holds 2 sticks in the hand and manages to do this one. He's growing and he's playing with the ball. He plays with the 1 ball and he's playing with the 2 ball. You know what is that? And that story goes in their brain like anything. So this story links with the variation, and now they know what is the rate we have to do the variation, and they can do with any letter. And now they got to the variation. But we got one articulation, we don't have a separate design. We got one design, our Indian this thing. We got. If I am going in the school, I will not wear my the pajama, the pants and the shirt here and go in this classroom like that. I wear together, isn't it? Our language is like that. They wear together. The variations, they are not separate. If one articulation, one design. Doesn't matter. You attach to that letter. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ke. We don't do it separate. We do it because we open mouth once. Even for ki, we open mouth once. I just made this all in fun. Again, they got ka, ki, ku, ke, ko in Spanish. Then I just tell the teacher, the students that we got more. But this chart I use, the big one, and I put it in the classroom so that their concept will get clear. Now I am going to the variation. See, I did vowels, I did consonant. You are at the 75% now. Variation, then diagram done. So what will happen with this one? I will go quickly this. Yeah. In Malayalam, same. You have some attachment to it, except not this thing. You go to Telugu, you will got something, on top. You say ka, ki, like that. See, if you repeat this very design, which is adding to curve, yeah, you can prepare your own script. You get 33 designs, you see the 12 patterns of yours, and you done. You got your own language. So that's why we got so many. Tamil, Bengali, we'll go quickly because we got short of this thing. I want to go to diagram. Diagram is a friendship, I say. You know, if you see Devanagari, okay, for Devanagari, if you see, it's a friendship. When you are a friend, you put a hand, you know, to others, friends, and these things. So they do like that. But who will put a hand? You know, when you make a friendship, you have to drop the stick in between you. Just drop the barrier in between two persons. That's only the friendship happens. Some letters are very easy to make friends. They don't have that much ego. They don't have their separate identity. You become, quickly friend. But some got a stick in their hand to the left. If you see all the reds, they are very difficult to break. Very difficult to join to anybody. So unless they drop their own little bit more artistic identity, they can't make friendship. So my simple philosophy, if you see anybody in this letter and if they goes together, they have to drop in the hand. If they don't have anything in the hand, they can directly join it. That is the called diagram. But diagram, how you pronounce the diagram? When you are saying two letters together, you can't pronounce diagram alone. If I say act, you can say act. If I take A out and write just city, you can't pronounce it. Can you pronounce it? It's very difficult. Okay? So they need support. If they need the support, if my leg is broken and somebody is walking on the road and suddenly my this leg get cramp, I will hold the other place. The next body, the next one, not the previous one. Next one in front of me, I will hold it. Same philosophy. Okay? So logic gets clear. They got the understanding how to do it. I will not go, I will just a little bit go faster. Okay? And the logic will go quickly like that. And when I say asda, I will say, do you say asda? The sir doesn't have any vowel. They understand. If there doesn't have any vowels, because it's going quickly, then if there doesn't have any vowels means we break their leg. Broken leg means it doesn't have any white color, it doesn't have any sword, it is a very pure form of the gold and you can't make ornament with it. You have to mix something. If you are not mixing it, you buy just the gold with the coins or the blocks. You can stay together, but not do this thing. You need to mix. If you are not mixing it, they will remain like that. So if I am saying asda, they know that sir is going quickly, so he is going to drop to on the next letter. So the logic is, if he got a stick, it will drop it, not it will stick to the next letter. This is for Devanagari, okay? But this rule doesn't work with the R, and I call R as a little baby. Because R is a baby. Doesn't matter his leg broken, your leg broken. You always have to consider the baby first. Even my leg is broken, I am not going to lie on the right? And even the Ra is coming behind me, even if it's a baby, I have to lift him up. You can't imagine that, no, the 2 months baby and mommy is walking and baby is walking behind him. No, because Ra is a little baby. You should consider me separately. Okay, I am the master R. I am the little baby. Now this is the trick, okay? All follows the rule, R doesn't. But for the diagram, so we have to introduce R a little bit separately, properly, clearly. Because, rule is what? If somebody got broken leg and the next one is the adult, okay, it doesn't matter. He has to lift him on his head because the baby got a broken leg. That's why I will lift on my head. Okay. Adult got a broken leg and he wants to fall on the small baby. Come on, it's not going to happen. I am handicapped and somebody's baby is, is broken leg. I can't say that I am going to lift him. Stay close to my leg. Stay close to me because I want to touch you. You will get support. What he does? He stay at the leg. And this one, rule. Okay, this is what is saying, my broken leg, and you are not grown enough. You are infant. Okay, so you stay next to me. You don't hold me, but stay next to me. So that is the crew. Arka, Akra, crew. Yeah, these are. If you break this one, you deal with diagram. I will not go my data. If you want, we can discuss more on it, how to do it. Then you say, then tell them when you say per, they understand which is the consonant pro, which comes first, per or ro, and then I will say which is the coming faster, per or ro. They understand, and they use this logic. Okay, they say ru. You should understand which is going first, per or ro, ru. Then they understand what to do with that one. Shar or ri, which is coming, ro coming first. Then you go on the head. Because Ra coming first, his leg is broken, you go on the head. 3 logic, you repeat it again and again, If you understand this logic clearly, you will understand this one. Okay. This is all the combination. Don't confuse them with so many words in Sanskrit. Okay, doesn't matter. The rule is simple, but you can make plenty of it. 10 weeks program when I say teach to them, I shall go appreciation, knowledge, practice and ability. So it will go like that. Building the bridge, understanding, but it will go appreciation first. Next week it will go to the knowledge. Third week it will go to the practice. And fourth one will go to the ability. If it is going longer, that's fine. We are not stuck with the 10 this program. Maybe the teacher need to know a lot into it. Initially, for the first one, it will require more time. But you know that is a mechanical thing. चपाती बनाना है ना कितनी जल्दी बना देते हैं मैं बनाने को जाऊंगा मुझे बनती नहीं है मैं तो चपाती बनानी होगी but when my wife cook she cooked perfectly because she has done many times and she can do food in 10-15 minutes chapati rice whatever she can make it so first time it will be difficult but you see if it is a mechanical I can do it quickly next time and then let's go to the first then go to the vowels introduction consonant introduction writing practice variation introduction writing reading practice diagram. Don't say the reading writing practice. I say, can you copy this design on your paper? Doesn't matter what they copy. I just ask them, can you copy this design? Not letters, design. And I want to copy, link them to the sound. Okay. And then for reading writing and then summarization at the 10th class. You can do it with 1 hour. I used to do it 20 minutes every Friday. I took and I calculated what I did when they were able to read and write. It came to 8 hours. 20 hours, 20 minutes in a week in Bhagavad. It came 20 minutes and adults I can quickly, in 2 days I can teach. So this confident I taught a Mauritius lady who was grandmother, she wanted to read this thing, Ramcharitmanas, and she did it. In 6th week she started to read and write. She was old and somebody said you can't learn our language. And somebody said he teach 2 kids. He can teach to you. She came to me. I said like doctor, don't worry, I will teach you in the 6th day. She was first day, she got confidence. Okay, see the doctor says that you are alright, don't worry. So that gives her courage. And on that one she did practice in 6th week. She was writing. I can teach to anybody in the world, not Indian, French, Spanish, English. Let them come and learn from our kids. And this is basically, this I map on this thing. All the language, this is my national integration. I'm going to go to the next level, that is phase 2, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Malayalam. I want to do national integration. And with all the things, I just map it, this Tamil, Telugu. You can read now all things. Okay, you can map it like matrix and you can read any language. I will do for variation, I have not done it. But it goes little down. It's not the letters. Okay, it goes, these are the chakras, parallel. हम लोग बोले षट चक्र दर्शन षट चक्र है these are 4 plexus in our body these are the Clapham junction Waterloo junction these are the junctions of our nervous system on the back of our bone and all bones got the patterns and all the letters are mapped to it the swaras literally at the throat and then you go Kakha Ganga Anahat Chakra Manipur Chakra these are the letters Swadhisthana Muladhara Ajna Chakra if when you use those letters it do the acupressure of that nerve system and that acupressure help you how you are behave because you can't see outside. I can't see outside of my eye. I can't hear outside my ear. There is no world outside. I can't see you where you are. I'm seeing you on my retina. I'm listening you on my eardrum. I can't see you where you are. That is a fact. If you imagine that one, you will see why our body is important for this letter. These are our mantra. They are combination of these things of the letters, Ram or all the things. Gam, Ganapati, Nama. Gam is the mantra. You do it, your brains get agitated, activated like that. And this is all is going to that one. It's not just the language. They are going to make a very good human body. This Gam, these are the letters. And we start and Ma, Aham. That is our boundary. Inside thing. We can't see you where you are. I can't listen to you when you are speaking. I can listen only inside. And you are, I am watching you inside. So that goes very deeper with the languages. Okay, that is Aham. And 16 petals, I said 16 petals at the throat. And Krishna in the brain center, 1000 petals. So you join 16 to 1000 petals. These are the 16,000 possible variation emotions in your body. And that is the Krishna with all the brains. Krishna's 1000 petals. And you got 16 petals here, 16 Radhika. Connect these 16 I, U, A, and all the 1000 petals here is 16,000 emotion possible in your day. Nothing more than that, nothing less than that. You know, less than that, but there is a possibility maximum that one. That is called a Ras Leela. Gujarat, they place Garba. They hold, you know, center, and they will have a chadar, and they will play. When they will end the play, you will see that gof. And that gof is our internal gof. And that's what our Ras Garba is. Astronomy, all the letters got the, you know, we got a month like that. And this is the constellation. Each constellation got 4 parts. We got each letter are connected to it. When you born, you got impact. You know, when somebody takes a Xerox, X-ray, flash at that time takes the image like that. That's got very flashed in the world. Okay. And it goes a little more. Kakha got meaning like a word. If say Ka means Shaktishali, Ka means Bina without any the opposed, he expands. Ga means Gati, speed. Kha means Thera, hold it. So it is all with static energy. It will go to the dynamic energy, or it will say Ja means Janma and Za means Mrityu, die, death. Ja means birth. And then on that basis, our all words are created. I will not go, I need to study all these things, but I got. Then you know, these are the 33 devatas, the 33 letters, and this is the sound form. The key stage is, you know, at the moment we are going for word just for 14 journey. This is our journey to Panini is this one. But the base is the preparation foundation. Then we will go for word foundation, word articulation, word foundation, word articulation.